myself Khushal. What we are going to discuss about is biotechnology and its various types of companies. What is biotechnology? Biotechnology is the use of biology to solve problems and make useful products. The most prominent area of biotechnology is the production of therapeutic proteins and other drugs through genetic engineering.
Today, I am giving a discussion about a red biotechnology. Biopharmacology is known as a red biotechnology. This branch of biotechnology is related to healthcare. The main utilization of this branch is shown in the field of medicine. Red biotechnology helps to improve the quality of your life. It's a branch of a modern biotechnology that is utilized in the field of medicines. Especially, a red biotechnology is not only limited to a pharmaceutical industry but also a medical sector also, as it facilitates the elevation of human suffering and the enhance of the quality life. The term biotechnology was introduced by an Hungarian engineer as Carl Ehrlich in 1970. Ehrlich defined as a biotechnology as all line of work by which products are produced from a raw material with the aids of all living things. Major applications of the red biotechnology are: first, a clinical research and trial; second, gene therapy; third, genetic engineering; fourth, the diagnosis of the gene; fourth, production of a combination vaccine; sixth, research on cancer and its treatment; seventh, stem cells; eighth, a diagnosis on a various disease; ninth, a production of a biology; and the tenth one is a pharmacogenomics. About the future of a red biotechnology, everyday science moves a little step forward and contributing to the progress of the society. However, a single invention revolutionized the world. If we take an example of a 3D printing, the 3D printing is now boosting another revolution 3D printing in the biomedicines. 3D printing represents the future of a red biotech. The red biotechnology will be able to an organ using a biocoupled material in cells. This will replace the algo transfer waiting list of the make of a difference between life and death. This will also replace an animal test and provide a more predictive, less expensive and exploitable model. The high innovation content of this technology can make the difference between the dead or out of date and new. Talk about some company of a red biotechnology. There are two companies, Johnson & Johnson and Roche 6 Group. Johnson & Johnson is an American multinational corporation founded in 1866 that develop a medical device, pharmaceuticals, and a consumer package goods, and its comes stocks in a component of the ventures in a beverage, and the company ranked at number 36 in a list of a 500 on the top of a United States government. The company introduced the world's first veterinary kit in 1894, which includes a kids as well as baby soaps, sanitary napkins, pneumatical taps, etc. The product were later marketed separately on another level of the world. Kindly, the hygienic veterinary has introduced a guide for a mother before and after a delivery. In 1904, the company expanded its baby care products with the listed sanitary diapers, a diapers product for an infant. Another company, Roche's Rose, was given by Rothmans and AG, commonly known as a Roche, is a Swiss multinational healthcare company that operated worldwide under a two division, pharmaceuticals and a diagnostics. It's holding a company on a holding AG shares listed to the Swiss exchange. The company headquarters are located in a base. Roche is the largest pharmaceutical company in the world and the leading provider as a castle category globally. Thank you. Now, my another roommate means a teammate, Riddhi will explain another topic.
Now I will explain blue biotechnology. Blue biotechnology is biotechnology using aquatic organisms. Think blue for the water that these organisms live in. We already utilize many aquatic resources such as fish, shellfish, sponges and petroleum reserves. But blue biotechnology goes beyond this, utilizing an incredible variety of organisms from Earth's ocean, lakes, rivers and streams for many different purposes. Applications. The applications of blue biotechnology are not new. We are extracting substances from sponges decades ago that have been used in things such as treatment for the AIDS virus. Cod liver oil has been used as a supplement since the 19th century. However, blue biotechnology feels like a modern field because it's flexible, adaptive, and constantly moving forward. Let's take a look at some examples of how blue biotechnology has been used more recently for the benefits of humans. Company Alga Spring, provider of microalgae products and nutritional supplements. The The product portfolio for aquaculture feed business includes a paste used as a rotifer feed. Aquaculture products can be used directly as feed, as supplements, or as an ingredient by feed manufacturers for livestock animal feed industry. It supplies marine phytoplankton which can be used as an ingredient product. Now I will invite my teammate Pooja.
Going to talk about gold biotechnology. Gold biotechnology, also known as bioinformatics, is a cross between biological processes and computing that plays a key role in biological data. Gold Biotechnology Company shares a vision with every researcher. Each facet of life science research will introduce us to a future impactful discovery and learning benefiting the entire world. And our vision will materialize sooner if a researcher's passion is not sullied by worry over the quality of their reagents, especially the cost for quality. This is why we are here. We believe in a future of change and prosperity, and we want to help you get there by being a resource for high quality products at exceptional prices. By providing our customers with only the best chemicals possible tested in Gold Biolabs to assure our own quality specifications are met. You can be sure your research will go off without a hitch. Our physiology about Gold Biotechnology. First, provide the highest quality product. Second, maintain low cost to pass along to the researcher. Third, be an advocate for the industry. Fourth, support our customers as any loyal business partner. Fifth, be an ally to business in the industry. Sixth, put forth products with hope. Seventh, look towards the future. Eighth, we look toward the future with hope as we send out our products with the intent that they will be used in great discovery. We are a small company dedicated to the success of those whom we supply. 9. So we provide high quality, low cost materials to scientists and researchers. We give our customers the best so they can discover, invent and innovate. Now, our commitment to quality. First, we are dedicated to providing our customers with the highest quality products available. Second, we test our products from our network of trusted global suppliers to assure they meet our quality specifications. Third, we stand behind all of our products knowing that our reputation lies on the success of your experiments. Company for Gold Biotechnology. Gold Biotechnology Incorporated. Gold Biotechnology Incorporated was founded in 1986 by Dr. Paul Gould as a low-cost provider of high-quality research chemicals. GoldBio.com has grown to feature over 2,500 products for cell and molecular biology. Gold Biotechnology provides products to clients all over the world who demand top-quality products at a price that promotes discovery. Gold Bio has evolved significantly, expanding its catalog from the 3 products to more than 3,000 products. Throughout its history, Gold Bio's success has relied on its commitment to the success of those whom we supply. Gold Biotechnology shares a vision with every researcher. Each facet of life science research will introduce us to a future of impactful discovery and learning benefiting the entire world. Now you can see a pie chart regarding field contribution on biotechnology. Now my friend Srushti will come and discuss her topic.
I will explain about green biotechnology. Green biotechnology deals with the use of environmentally friendly solutions as an alternative to traditional agricultural, horticulture and animal breeding process. Example of agricultural applications of green biotechnology is the use of genetically altered plants or animals, development of transgenic plants, genetic engineering of plants, manipulation and the use of microorganisms to facilitate crop growth, producing fertile and resistant seeds, etc. Similarly, ecological applications including bioremediations, development of biofuels and biofertilization, applications in geomicrobiology, microbial ecology, solid waste management, wastewater treatment, etc. Agri-tech is believed to defend hunger in a more eco-friendly manner without disturbing the natural environmental health. It makes use to biological processes and technologies to produce more fertile and resistant plants and ensures the promotion of biofertilization and biopesticides. Environmental biotechnology makes the use of living systems to solve environmental problems. Environmental biotechnology is fundamentally rooted in waste in its various guises, such as remediation of contamination caused by previous use, the impact of the reduction of curtail activity, and the control of pollution. These aspects of biotechnology include preventing the discharge of pollutants to the environment, cleaning up contaminated environments, and generating valuable resources for human society. Therefore, the principal aim to be slide is to manufacture products in environmentally harmonious ways that allow for the minimization of harmful solids, liquids, or gaseous output and the cleaning of residual effects of earlier human occupation. Companies of Green Biotechnology. Three River Biotech. Three River Biotech is a plant biotechnology company specializing in commercial scale plant tissue culture for cannabis, hemp, and traditional crops to provide premium pathogen free, pesticide free, vigorous plants to cultivators and late stage nurseries across the United States and internationally. Three Rivers has developed a production ready prefabricated PTC lab capable of producing up to 5 lakh platelets per year, the so-called InstaLab. These InstaLabs, which can be shipped anywhere in the world, greatly accelerated a company ability to implement PTC at the commercial scale. Three Rivers also designs and develops PTC production as part of a retrofit of existing facilities or integrated into the design of new facilities. 22nd Century Group Incorporated. 22nd Century Group, a leading agricultural biotechnology company focused on tobacco harm reduction, reduced nicotine tobacco, and improving health and wellness through plant science, with dozens of patents allowing it to control nicotine biosynthesis in the tobacco plant. The company has developed proprietary reduces nicotine content (RNC) tobacco plants and cigarettes, which have become the cornerstones of the FDA's comprehensive plan to address the widespread death and disease caused by smoking. The company received the first and only FDA MRTP authorizing of a combustible cigarette in December 2021. In tobacco, cannabis and hop plants, 22nd Century uses modern plant breeding technologies, including genetic engineering, gene editing, and molecular breeding to deliver solutions for the life science and consumer products industries by creating new proprietary plants with optimized alkaloid and flavonoid profiles as well as improved yields and valuable agronomic traits. Growth Agricultural Technologies analyst Brain Breed today initiated research converge on 22nd Century Group. Roth Capital's events are attended for prospective and existing Roth Capital's clients. Now I will invite my friend Lipsa.
White biotechnology. An entire branch of biotechnology known as white biotechnology is devoted to this. It uses living cells from yeast, molds, bacteria, and plants and enzymes to synthesize products that are waste during their production. Nowadays, apart from electrically powered transport vehicles, most of cars, airplanes, and ferries require fossil fuel to run, produce various degrees of pollution during operation. The supply of fossil fuel is not unlimited. Besides, as human activities are getting more frequent, the dependency on transport vehicles and associated pollution problem grew. Nothing this, energy research centers have been intensifying their studies on a new clean source of energy to battle the dependency on fossil fuels. Biofuels is one of the most heated research subjects because processed biofuels are applicable to car designed for petroleum fuels nowadays. Ethanol and biodiesel can be blended with fossil fuels for use in ordinary car and design powered cars. For this societal point of view, appropriate use of biofuels can maintain the stability of fuel supply, reduce greenhouse gas and pollution emissions, improve vehicle performance, enhance rural economic development, and protect ecosystems and soils. With conventional technology, the production cost for biofuels can be much as 3 times of petroleum fuels. Noting these countries in Europe and America have been extending efforts to improve the production process to make it more cost effective. Another means is to utilize other crop products high in cellulose for biofuel production. This will require advanced conversion technology to efficiently convert cellulose to alcohol and other fuels such as synthetic diesel and natural gas in a cost-effective manner. Brazil is at forefront in biofuel production and utilization. Ethanol now accounts for nearly 30% of gasoline demand. Company Amerisco Incorporated. The company is a leading clean tech integrator and renewable energy asset developer, owner and operator. George P. Secular is PE President and Chief Executive Officer. Amerisco Incorporated is a leading clean tech integrator and renewable energy asset developer, owner and operator. Our comprehensive portfolio includes energy efficiency, infrastructure upgrades, asset sustainability, and renewable energy solutions delivered to clients through North America and United Kingdom. Amerisco sustainability services in support of clients' pursuit of net zero include upgrades to a facility energy infrastructure and the development, construction, and operation of distributed energy resources. We have experience in smart building, modernization, and retrofits, and work with utility distribution systems and non-energy focused design, build new construction. We also monetize existing energy assets and take ownership and operation of the customer balance sheet. Envitech Biogas AG. All von Lamenden is founding shareholder and chief executive officers of Envitech Biogas AG. Envitech Biogas AG is a Germany-based biogas plant construction company. It provides planning, construction, installation, and repair and maintenance services for biogas plants. The company operates through four segments: own plant operation, plant construction, energy, and service. The own plant operation segments comprise activity related to generalization of electricity from biogas plant owned by the company. The plant construction segment includes biogas plant planning and construction services to third parties. The energy segments offer direct feeding for upgraded biomethane produced in company's plant, as well as services related to the direct marketing of electricity produced in biogas plants. The service segments provide services related to the operation of biogas plants such as installation, controls, and repair and maintenance. Now I would like to invite my friend Jigapal.
Now I'll discuss about yellow biotechnology. Yellow biotechnology can be said as the oldest branch of biotechnology. It uses microorganisms or insects for the production of more nutrition-rich food products for us. So yellow biotechnology is also called nutritional biotechnology or insect biotechnology. In other words, yellow biotechnology is mainly the use of biotechnological techniques or insects or the cells to develop different products or services that are used in agriculture, medicine, and industry. Information. Traditional or conventional food products are not so nutrition rich, so by using biotechnological techniques like gene modification, in vitro cell culture technology, enzymatic and microbial activity, development of most nourishing food products that are fortified with health promoting additives fall under the yellow biotechnology. Need of yellow biotechnology. Food production by traditional methods is crop cultivation and meat production. Crop cultivation requires large scale land, so it promotes the deforestation of forest. It also needs clean water, fertilizers, pesticides, and other chemicals that directly pollute land and groundwater to quality. Every year, major part of the crop is lost due to insects, and the use of chemical insecticides harms our environment. Goals of yellow biotechnology. The major goal of yellow biotechnology is to provide high nutrient value quality food to humans that have health promoting additives without harming or polluting the environment. To achieve its goals, yellow biotechnology uses various techniques like enzymatic, microbial, and molecular biology genetic techniques. Under yellow biotechnology, exploitation of insects is done by using biotechnological techniques for enhancing the bioeconomy. Applications of yellow biotechnology. First, insect derived enzymes for white biotechnology. Second, genetically modified crops. Third, drugs for insects. 4. RNAi technology for insect pest management. Scope of yellow biotechnology. After red, green, and white biotechnology, yellow biotechnology is a major field of interest in the world of research under biotechnology. A lot of research work is needed on insects for exploitation of their industrial and agriculture applications to provide nutritional food to all. So, to meet the increasing demand for food without harming our environment can be solved by using it. Companies of yellow biotechnology. First, Acasti Pharma. Acasti Pharma is a diversified specialty pharma company with unique drug delivery capabilities and technology to address rare and orphan diseases where there are currently significant unmet medical needs. The company's proprietary formulations and drug delivery technologies are designed to improve clinical outcomes, enhance efficiency, provide faster and onset of actions, reduce side effects, provide more convenient delivery, and increase patients' compliance. Second, Affiner. Afiner is a biotechnology company pioneering the use of controlled natural fermentations to make better, healthier, and more sustainable food products. Cultural Coffee, the first product, was launched in the summer of 2015. Cultural Coffee is an incredible premium coffee product that is used to digest with low bitterness, shining fruit, and caramel notes. Now I'll invite my friend Khushal to discuss further.
We are going to discuss about grey biotechnology. What is it? Grey biotechnology refers to the balancing of environment by the removal of contaminants using the microorganisms and also plants for the disposal of different substances. It deals with the protection of fauna and flora from human activities using the bioremedial technology to remove pollutants and various other methods. Millions of tons of waste product that needs proper management, and the only way that could include done efficiently is by using the microorganisms to decay them and convert them to useful form. This is what grey biotechnology is all about. Scientists have recently discovered a bacteria strain that can literally eat the plastic and working make it faster. For the microorganisms are also used for soil treatment, oil spillage, and radioactive contamination. What is grey biotechnology includes? It includes pollution control using microorganisms, human waste disposal, protect flora and fauna from pollution, and waste management using microorganisms. Applications of grey biotechnologies. Grey biotechnology is the coolest and recent technique to control pollution by waste management. The scientists could successfully isolate a per degrading enzyme from Pseudomonas chromatography. It was discovered that bacterium Pseudomonas cutidia degrades PVC in polyvinyl chloride and actinomycetes rockos rubber degrade polystyrene. In 2016, a team from Japan tested various bacteria from bottle recycling plant. They found that the bacteria named Loanella sequens 201 F6 can digest the plastic Science is making a new invention each day, but most of these inventors have been challenging and disturbing nature. Balancing the environment is the only way humanity can exist in this beautiful world forever, and that is why grey biotechnology exists. Plastic eating bacteria represent the future of grey biotechnology. If it could be possible, we could still be using plastic products for another century without adding the pile in dumping sites. Along with the disposal of waste, it is important to make the use of energy that microorganisms produce during the action of industrial processes. Now we are going to discuss about companies of grey biotechnology. First, environmental alter ego. The feature details alter ego's strategy of supporting farmers making the transition with funding, education, and training, and describe the ecological and social benefits that will come from helping the chocolate industry move towards a more sustainable method of production. Second company, Seren Claim. In 2021, Seren started a new chapter of a career in Rockwell authorization as Southeast Asia Industry Consultant Manager. She and her team of industrial consultants, after consultation to clients with regards to their digital transformation journey. The industry consulting teams keep abreast of industry trends and engage clients to connect their business KPIs with IoT technologies. Now, my friend Janil will discuss further.
Hello, today I am going to discuss about brown biotechnology. Brown biotechnology is a branch of biotechnology that is related to the management of arid lands and deserts. Brown color represents the brown soil in such an area. Brown biotechnology is also called arid zone and desert biotechnology. There is some information about brown biotechnology. Brown biotechnology considers crop management in the arid lands and desert. It targets to develop the crop that could stand the extreme climate of the arid region and grows well. Brown biotechnology combines nature with technology for the treatment of arid and desert soils with the species that are highly resistant to dry and saline soils. Brown biotechnology focuses on the creation of enhanced seeds to resist the extreme environment of arid regions in relation of the innovation, creation of new agriculture methods and management of resources. Also, it's about using the microorganisms and other livestock animals that can be useful in an arid region. It includes use of GMO technology for making improved seeds, develop best post-harvest preservation technology for the arid region, There are some companies related to brown biotechnology, for example, Surgeon Biotech Private Limited, one of the most advanced plant tissue culture company in India, established in 2005, having ultra-modern plant tissue culture laboratory to develop tissue culture plants, precious plant tissue culture research and testing equipment for continuous development, use modern polyhouse and primary hardened plants and secondary hardened plants and all required infrastructure for providing the great precious fruits, crops and vegetables of the world by performing the duty honestly and passionately. The Surgeon Biotech company has excelled in providing high quality tissue culture raised plants to farmers, industries and governments in India and worldwide. The Surgeon Biotech company maintains strict quality standards coupled with the latest research finding the biotechnology which ensures superior cloned plants with lowest level of rejection. Surgeon Biotech's plants are characterized by uniformly rapid growth, early fruiting, and high yield potentiality.
Now I am going to talk about purple biotechnology. Violet biotechnology or purple biotechnology is related to publications, inventions, IPRs and patents of biotechnology. It is devoted to regulation and solving the problems and the formation of a platform for discussion. While all other forms of biotechnology aim at increasing the number of inventions, violet biotechnology properly maintains them. Information. Like any new field of human science which is entering human life dynamically, biotechnology is also causing doubts and fears. Among them, the law problems mostly related to patenting the inventions in the most hectic one. Thus, some serious moral dilemmas and discussion have emerged. This results in dispute between adversaries, followers of biotechnology. The appearance of all these issues caused the formation of a new branch of biotechnology called violet biotechnology. The content of violet biotechnology came when the Supreme Court of the US decided that genetically modified microorganisms can also be patented. The classification was officially accepted from June 16, 1980. Includes encouraging new biotechnology inventions, analyzing and publications of biotech research, patent right in biotechnology inventions, ensure intellectual property rights. Purple Biotechnology. Purple Biotech Limited. Purple Biotech Limited is a clinical stage company focusing on advancing first-in-class therapies to overcome tumor immune evasion and drug resistance to create successful long-lasting treatments for people with cancer. The company's oncology pipeline includes NT219 and CM24. NT219 is a small molecule targeting the novel cancer drug resistance pathways IRS half and ST83. CM24 is a monoclonal antibody blocking CCAM1, a novel immune checkpoint that supports tumor immune evasion and survival through multiple pathways. The company plans to advance CM24 as a combination therapy with antibody anti-PD-1 checkpoint inheritance in selected cancer indications in a phase 1 study followed by phase 2 for the treatments of non-small cell lung cancer and pancreatic cancer. Now I invite my friend Miral to discuss further.
Now we will discuss about dark biotechnology. The dark side of biotechnology in its color code is denoted as dark biotechnology and involves the area of bioterrorism, biowelfare, biocrime and anti-crop welfare. In a sense, the dark biotechnology is pretty much about the negative aspect of biological science and tools. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention defines a bioterrorism attack as the deliberate release of virus, bacteria or other germs used to cause illness or death in people, animals or plants. Biological welfare have been practiced in the world since antiquity. In the past, biological weapons were used in the rudimentary forms available then, such as poisoning water wells with pathogenic microorganisms, spreading epidemic disease like smallpox, or the use of infectious agents or toxin weapons like anthrax, tularemia, brucellosis, botulism, Q fever, and others. Dark biotechnology also includes destroying enemy agriculture crops as crops, livestock, water-based vegetation and fisheries. Now I will explain about company 3B Black Biotech India Limited, one of the leading Indian companies in the field of development of molecular diagnosis solution. With their 9 years of R&D experience, they have developed close to 70 products in segments like infectious disease, oncology and molecular genetics. They are proud to offer our top product with quick turnover time and adorable prices to close to 200 satisfied customers across 45 cities in India and many prestigious customers globally spanning across UK, USA, Europe, Middle East, Asia, East Africa, SARC countries currently.
In conclusion, biotechnology is a complement, not a substitute for many areas of conventional agriculture research. It offers a range of tools to improve our understanding and management of genetic resources for food and agriculture. Thank you.